Okay guys, so here is a close-up. Let's go in here for this. Boom. You guys look at there. Oh my goodness. Have a bite. You guys, we are going to do us a quick chicken recipe. Now I call this the struggle meal, even though I really I'm not struggling, but I had some leftover chicken breasts, you guys, and so yes, these are frozen solid, okay, but they were pre-cooked. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to zap this right quick because I want to defrost it right quick, right? And we want to defrost. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make us a meal out of those 2 chicken breasts, you guys. And I'm going to start off, but first, how's everybody doing? Good. We're going to start off with some bell peppers and onions. We're going to saute these. Okay? And no, we don't have to wait for the skillet to get warm, because it's not going to take it long at all. Not long at all. And we put a little olive oil in there for the record. Okay? Oh. Spoon almost slid out my hand. You guys, if you want to know what I'm doing, I'm listening to Amazing Grace. You guys, oh my God. It's one of them days for me, you guys. So yeah, hold on. We're going to use a little all-purpose seasoning in this by Kingsford, because we want to put the first seasoning layer on here. Yeah. I'm just breaking up some of these veggies that, as far as the onions, you know, and trying to separate them. So yeah, this recipe is so easy and simple, and it's going to be delicious once I finish with it. You can bet on that. It's going to be a delicious meal, you guys. Let's see how far our chicken breast is good enough to cut up, you guys. Good enough to cut up. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into chunks. Let me step over here. Put a rinse on my hands. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to just go and cut this chicken breast on up. Now, it's your choice how you want to cut the chicken breast. But yes, I was looking in the freezer and I said, you know what, I got this chicken breast and I need to do something with it. So that's what I'm going to do with it. Is cut it up in chunks, because this definitely will be a side dish. for today's meal. And it's an economical meal to feed your family. So yeah, that's it. That's all I have to do. I touched that handle, you guys, along with touching my meat, and that's why you saw me wipe that spoon. Oh, these are so cooking up so beautiful. So now I am gonna add the stroganoff in here. You know what? Let me saute me some mushrooms to put over in here. Those jalapeno peppers. Y'all, I have so many condiments. Got some mushrooms right here. They the jar kind of mushrooms. So yeah, I want to put some in here. So now we're going to add our chicken breast. I'm going to let that do a thing. That was a chunk of chicken I missed. Even though all of it is chunked up. This is a terrific way to get rid of your leftovers and then get your veggies in at the same time, you guys. You can't go wrong with this meal. So now we have the noodles. And we're going to add us some water. Just enough to cover these noodles. It ain't cooking unless it spills a little bit. And we're going to turn it down. And we'll be back once it has come to its basically. Okay guys, so yeah. My noodles are basically, I think they're pretty much ready. Now what I'm going to do is turn this up a little because I want this to cook down some. Because I did add a little more water in there. So we got some Kobe Jack. And we're going to add us a little Kobe Jack in this. Sure is. Because it's going to make it perfect. Watch what I tell you. Perfect side dish. And plus, I love my cheese. I know it's not good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Control of the love. Say you love me. But you lose all thoughts of waste of time. And I change yours now. Check the boxes. This is a pile of things. All the 2 times. Try to hold on. Think I better let it go. Oh, we're going to put some cheese right on there just like so. And there you have it. A scrumptious side dish. Easy meal. Can't go wrong. And yeah, it's one of my struggles. Because I didn't feel like going to the market. So if you got this far in the video, you guys, thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to the channel. And yeah, this only if this is something that you prefer to watch. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Okay guys, so here is a close-up. Let's go in here for this. Boom. You guys, look at there. Oh my goodness. Have a bite. You guys, this meal looks so delicious. Your girl had to wait for it to cool down. Okay? Mmm. Yes, I got that flavor going on, you guys. You will enjoy this recipe, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and share. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.